Hey, hello guys, Brian back here with a bone update. All right now we are at $1.63. We're down 0.73% for the day. We've had a low of $1.59 and a high of roughly $1.65. All right, so we're gonna dig into this chart here and see if this correction is about done or not. All right, the crypto bubbles here. Let's take a look here. What's going on here today out there? Kind of quite a bit of red out there today. Not big corrections either. 0.6, real small correction. 0.7. Bitcoin is just teetering along here, doing its thing. Right on it's on the daily chart. I'm gonna take a look at this chart here real fast. All right, we got this thing. Let's zoom in here. Get this off here. Alright, you can see we've had the breakout of this resistance line here. Alright, this thing has come back. It's just riding that line right down here. Alright, I wanted it to hold that 29,400. Alright, it's pulled back a little bit more, so I put a support line down here. Hopefully we get something, rides this, comes down here and nails off here. That's what I'd like to see. Alright, we got the daily. Let's look at the daily RSI on this thing. Daily RSI rolling over. Alright, so that's bearish right now. The 12-hour wanting to turn back up. Alright, you can see that 12 hours starting to curve back up, which is definitely what we want to see here. We got the 8-hour curving back up. Alright, you can see look how it's riding that line right down there. Each one of these are an 8-hour candle, and it's just rode it right down. The 4-hour right at the bottom and reset. So hopefully, finally, this is where this thing takes off. Bitcoin's what we've been waiting on here for this whole market. All right, go back over to bone. We got the 4-hour turning up on this chart. All right, we got the 8-hour roll. It's starting to roll over. All right, and I'm gonna be honest with you, that's what you want it to do right now. Okay, the 12-hour. It's at a 13 and a 10. Quite honestly, I expect the 12-hour to probably do something like this also and roll over, which, like I said, any other time I would be saying that's not what we want to happen, but right now, excuse me, right now we do. All right, that daily still coming down fast. All right, it's at a 12 and a 30. All right, we got the weekly. Still bullish, 98 and a 95. All right, now if we zoom in here a little bit, let's put it on the 8-hour here. All right, if we put a Fibonacci on this thing, we want to see this thing come up to the 618 or 702. All right, and then roll over from there. We want to, if it gets to that 618, all right, which is right there. Let's measure this out. Alright, now I'd like to see it get to that 702, which is right up here. Alright, let's measure that out. Yeah, that would fit better. Alright, looking for this thing to come up right to that $1.72. Alright, right to that $1.72, then roll over from there, right, and come down here. And that would finish this ABC correction out. That would give us a, right here, A, B, whoops, try that again. Alright, and please hit the like and subscribe, guys, and consider becoming a member of the channel. It's only 99 cents a month. Helps me out tremendously. But that's what we want to see happen here, okay? I figure this thing is going to end up right at that $1.48, right at that $1.48 level. If we go out in the daily, you can see that's a very good support area through here. That would be the most common area I would expect this to pull back to. All right, got very good support here, and then this thing after that, I would expect it to start taking off out of here. All right, and given this resistance a shot, the reason I think that, quite honestly, is that weekly is staying up there, and down here on the RSI down here, we have some up room to go. It's only at a 63 down here, so it's not maxed out by any means. All right, that's showing that this thing has some more strength in it. I want to see it break out of here and bust out of here, bounce and go. That would give us a pretty decent run here for bone. That would put this thing up Let's get a quick measurement here and see where that would put this thing. Info, the size of the wedge. I apologize, guys. I do so many videos. I don't remember. That put us up around the $3.50 or higher mark, which would be an increase of 100, roughly 100% move. So that's what I'm expecting to happen out of this thing. It's definitely not going to break down out of this thing. This wedge is too massive to break down. That would give this thing if it broke down, that would give this thing a target of in the tenth of a penny range or whatever. All right, that's why I'm expecting this thing obviously to break up out of here at some point, regardless of if it's in a couple days or if it's in a couple weeks. I don't expect no couple weeks to happen here, but I'm expecting this probably within the next 3 to 5 days. As soon as we get this ABC done, as soon as this comes down to $1.48, then we can concentrate on higher prices. So all right, guys, thank you very, very much. Hope you have a great Friday. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will be back with you very soon. Thanks a lot.